Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. In this video, we will solve question number 1 from problem set 3 of chapter Arithmetic Progression. So, the first question number 1, choose the correct alternative answer from each of the following sub-questions. First example, the sequence -10, -6, -2, minus and 2. It is option number A, it is an AP. Reason if D is -16, if it is an B, option B is an AP, that is for D is equal to 4, and C it is an AP for D is equal to -4, and D, option D, it is not an AP. So here in this sequence, T1, the first term T1 is -10, T2 is -6, T3 is -2, T4 is equal to 2. So common difference D1, that is T2 minus T1, which is equal to T2 is -6 minus -10, which is equal to -6 plus 10, that is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. D2 is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to T3 is -2 minus T2 minus 6, which is equal to -2 plus 6. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. D3, which is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, that is 2 minus -2, which is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So here D is equal to 4 is constant. So the correct option of the first example is B. It is an AP for D is equal to 4. Second example. First 4 terms of an AP are, we have to find first 4 terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and common difference is also -2. So here it is given that first term A, which is also T1, is -2 and common difference is also -2. So the first term T1 is equal to A, that is -2. T2 second term is A plus D, that is T1 plus D, which is equal to -2 minus 2, which is equal to -4. T3 third term is T2 plus D, T2 is equal to -4 and D is -2, which is equal to -4 minus 2 is -6. T4 fourth term, that is T3 plus D, T3 is -6 minus D is -2, that is -2 minus 6 is equal to -8. So first 4 terms of an AP are -2, -4, -6 and -4. So the correct option is C, option number C. Third example. What is the sum of first 30 natural numbers? So the first 30 natural numbers, so natural number 1, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, last number is 30. Now the natural number, the difference between two consecutive term here is constant, that is this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So D1 is T2 minus T1, that is 1. Here 3 minus 2 is also 1. So difference D is equal to 1 is constant. Therefore, this it is an AP, it is an arithmetic progression. So, this is an arithmetic progression. So, A is equal to, the first term A is 1, D is equal to, D is also 1. Now, there are first 30 natural numbers, so N is equal to 30. We can find, we have to find sum, Sn is equal to question mark. Here, Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. substitute n is equal to 30. So sum of 30 terms, 30 upon 2 into 2 into a is 1 plus n 30 minus 1 into d is also 1, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are, that is 15 into, here 2 ones are 2 plus 29 into 1, 30 minus 1 is 29, therefore S30, so S30 is equal to 15 into 29 ones are 29 plus 1 is 31, which is equal to 15 ones are 15, carry 1, 15 threes are 45 and 146. So sum of first 30 natural number is 465. So the correct option is option number B, 465. Fourth example, for a given AP, T7, 7 term is 4 and D is minus 1, minus 4, then find A, that is first term we have to find. So we know for an AP, Tn is equal to find AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will substitute the value of D and n is equal to 7 here and T7. So for n is equal to 7, put n is equal to 7, T7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D is given minus 4. Therefore T7 is given as 4, so put the value of T7 here. 4 is T7 is equal to 4 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4. Therefore 4 is equal to A, 6 4s are 24 and 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. So A will be equal to, therefore A is equal to 4 plus 24, which is equal to, that is A is equal to 4 plus 24 is 28. So value of A is 28. So the correct option is option number D is the right option, that is A is equal to 28. Fifth example, for an given AP, A, that is first term is 3.5, common difference is 0, n is equal to 101, then find Tn. So we know the formula to find Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for here we have the n is equal to 101, so T101 is equal to A is 3.5 plus 101 minus 1 into D is 0. So here 3.5 plus 100 into 0, that is 100 into 0, that is 3.5 plus 100 into 0 is 0. So the Tn is equal to, that is T101, that is Tn is equal to 3.5. So correct option is option B. Sixth example, for an AP, the first two terms are minus 3 and 4, that is T1 is equal to minus 3 and T2 is equal to 4. We have to find the 21st term, we have to find T21. Now as it is an AP, so D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 4 minus T1 is minus 3. So D will be equal to 4 plus 3, minus into minus with plus, which is equal to 7. So now A, the first term, A is equal to, that is T1, which is minus 3, D is equal to 7, N is equal to 21, we have to find T21. So for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T for N is equal to 21, T21 is equal to A is minus 3 plus N21 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Now T21 is equal to minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into 7, which is equal to minus 3, 7 20 into 7 is equal to 140. So T21 is equal to 140 minus 3, which is equal to 137. So the correct option is option C, that is T21st term of an AP is 137. Seventh example, if for an AP D is equal to 5, then find T18 minus T30. Now here we'll use the formula of Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for n is equal to 18 and n is equal to 30, these two values of n will substitute in this Tn formula, that is T18 minus T30, which will be equal to, and here in this formula n is equal to 18 will get as A plus 18 minus 1 into D minus in second bracket here A plus n is equal to 13 minus 1 into D. Now here we will open the bracket. A plus 18 minus 1 is 17D minus A, here minus into plus is minus, 13 minus 1 is equal to 12D. Here plus A and minus A will get cancelled. 17D minus 12D, which is equal to 5D. Now the value of D is given as 5. We substitute the value of D here. So 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So the answer is, the correct option is option number C, that is 25. Eighth example, find sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is dash. So what is the sum of first 5 multiples of 3? We'll write here. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Now what is the sum of this first 5 multiple? That is, here first this is T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. Now here we will consider this is an AP. The constant term D is equal to 3 is constant. Therefore it is an AP. It is an arithmetic progression. So here we can use Tn formula. So we will use the alternate formula, that is A is equal to 3 and the last term, that is Tn is equal to 15 and n is equal to 5. So Sn, sum of n terms of an AP, that is 5 terms, n upon 2 bracket A plus the last term Tn. We will substitute the value of here S n is equal to 5 upon 2 into bracket first term is 3 plus and the last term is 15. So S5, first sum of 5 terms, multiple of 3, that is 5 upon n is equal to 5 upon 2 into here 15 plus 3, which is equal to 18, divide 18, 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So 5 into 9, that is sum of 5 terms, first multiple of 3 is 45. So correct option is option number A. Ninth example, 15, 10, 5. In this AP arithmetic progression, the sum of first 10 terms is dash. So the given AP is given sequence is an AP. It is given. You have to find sum of 10 terms. So here the first term is there 15. The common difference is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus 15, which is equal to minus 5. N is equal to 10. We have to find sum of Sn, that is S10 we have to find. So here Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S10, sum of 10 terms, that is 10 upon 2 into 2 into A is 15 plus n 10 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 5. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 15 2s are 30 plus here 10 minus 1 is 9 into minus 5, which is equal to 5 into 30 minus 9 5s are 45 plus into minus is minus, which is equal to 5 into minus 30 minus 45 is minus 15. So 15 into minus 5 is minus 15 5s are 75 plus into minus is minus. So sum of first 10 terms of this AP is minus 75. So correct option is option A, that is minus 75. 10th example. In an AP, first term is 1 and the last term is 20. Sum of all term is 399. Then find value of n. So here the given thing is the first term A is equal to A is first term, that is 1, and last term of the sequence, that is Tn, is the last term, which is 20. It is also given the sum of all terms, that is Sn is equal to 399. We have to find the value of n. So we know the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket, when the first term and last term is given, should use this formula, A plus Tn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket A plus Tn. So here Sn is given, that is 399 is equal to value of n. We have to find n upon 2 into A is equal to 1 plus Tn is 20. Now this 2 will take on left hand side. Here it is divided, it will get multiplied. So 399 into 2 is equal to n into 21. Therefore, n will be equal to 399 into 2 divided by 21. Now we will divide this, both numerator and denominator. Here 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, carry 6, 7 9s are. So n is equal to 19 into 2, that is equal to n is equal to 19 2s are 38. So value of n is 38. So correct option is n is equal to, that is 38. Correct option is option B.